What's up, you guys? So we are starting this melted install from Westkiss hair. So I'm just showing you guys what all came inside of the package. This bonnet was very silky. Like, it felt really good. And also you have a bag to put your unit in after you're done, or just to store it in. So this is a unit, another unit with a whole lot of space on it, y'all. Check out all the information in the description box for the details, links, and everything. But I love a unit with some space, like. But for this, since it was short, I wanted to do like the short, bouncy, cute curls. And I did go ahead and bleach this unit beforehand, so I do have my makeup and stuff on the cap. But now we're just getting straight into the install. So I'm just doing a couple layers of glue with the Erica J glue, and I made sure I put a good amount of layers because I was going out of town before I did this install, so I wanted to make sure that it was very secure, so I wouldn't have any slip ups or anything while I was out of town. And I just like to use a popsicle stick to spread my glue all over. And now I'm just laying the lace down, and y'all, I just cannot get over, I love when my knots bleach perfectly. Like, I just love it. Like, this unit, the knots was no problem. I only bleached it once. Some knots be stubborn. These just blended, like, it lifted really quick, and it just did what it had to do. But I just love to take my hot comb over after I've laid it down. I don't know why, I just always do that. And this is something I've been doing new recently. I just been taking like a long silk wrap and wrapping my hair first, opposed to taking, you know, like the small elastic band first. I like to do this first and then do the elastic band second. So now we're cutting off the lace, and when I'm cutting off the lace, I just like to use an eyebrow razor just to make sure I have those jagged edges. With the scissors, I always kind of make it like a demarcation line, so using the razor just kind of makes it more jagged so that it blends in better. And then also I did have to cut off some of the lace so that it can just go straight to my hairline. And I love units that have a lot of lace, a lot of space, because it gives you room to customize. So like I said, this unit, I really loved it because it had a whole bunch of space. And y'all know I love to pluck on my head, and with the Erica J glue, you can pluck on your head. Like, it's so much strength, like you don't even have to worry about your lace coming up. And I just like to pluck in sections until I feel like it looks exactly how I want it to look. So now right here, I decided that I was going to do a side part, a little bust down side part curls. Like, I was so ready for it, but I wanted to make sure I had everything slick. and like flat. So I'm just taking my wax stick and going through each section and using my hot comb to flatten it down. And you guys, if you guys can still see like a lace a little bit, like I know you guys can see the lace just a little bit, don't be alarmed. Just stick with the process, because we do have to spray like our spritz and stuff in there just to get it blended just a little bit more. But y'all, this unit is just such a good unit. Like, I literally could not get over this. Like, I was like, once I get this lace looking good right here, it just look, you can really do like a slick back, like, you could really do it with this. Like, I just really love this. But I'm taking my Arcade by Kiss, and I was just putting my makeup over it just to get that lace even more blended. And I'm just taking a holding spray. You can take any holding spray. I feel like the pink holding spray kind of gives me the Straight Request feel. I'm trying to get online to get me another one, because the Straight Request spray is just amazing. But I just use my setting spray and then put on my elastic band to let that blend a little bit more. And now that we took that off and everything is blended, we are going to clean up the area with some alcohol, because the makeup did kind of like leave like a little mark. So just take your alcohol and clean up your area before you start your baby hairs, so that it won't look messy. So now we're starting these baby hairs, and I was so excited for these. Now, I didn't even know I was gonna get to doing the like, to me, these baby hairs that I did remind me of cursive writing. Like, I don't know, like, it was just giving. Like, this is my first time I did like some extra dramatic baby hairs like this, and I feel like it came out so cute. I don't care what nobody says. Some people don't like baby hairs, some people love baby hairs. I like the no baby hairs look, but these baby hairs that I did on this was given. Like, I really love it. I don't care what nobody say. Like, the girls who get it. The girls who don't, and you're lame. But we're just going ahead and cutting the baby hairs, and I'm about to start getting them right. Now, I like to use the Edge Booster Pomade. I will have that link in the product section, so you can just click on the little shopping bag on the corner of this video and it will pop up. But at first I was just going for like a natural look, but then I was like, no, we're gonna take it up a notch, because the bust down curl is gonna look so cute with it. So I'm gonna just let you guys, you know, follow on how I'm doing it. There's no specific way I can really say. It's just like a visual thing, because with your baby hairs, it is gonna take you some time to get it how you want it. You're gonna be swooping for days until you get it exactly how you want it. These baby hairs came out so cute. Like, I absolutely love them so much. But afterwards, what I do is I'm just taking my spritz and I'm taking my little fan and just getting my perimeter of my hairline just to make sure everything is really blended. And I'm taking a little bit of foam just to lay those parts down a little bit, because I just wanted to lay more with foam rather than taking my hot comb and trying to lay it down, because it just wasn't laying exactly how I wanted to. Now I'm just going in with my scissors and I'm cutting a little bit of layers. Now y'all know I'm not a professional. I just do my own hair, so don't get at me for this layering, y'all. I just do what works for me. Like, I don't need no more, I don't need any comments. I've been doing hair for 23 years and you didn't do this right. I do not care. But I'm just, you know, doing what works for me. And then we're going to go ahead and go in with the curls. So these curls are, I'm using my T3 1-inch curling iron. And I wanted these curls to be really bouncy, really cute. When it comes to short hair and curls, short curls always give, like, it always just gives. Like, I was ready for this look. Like, but the only thing that I will say is just curl behind, like just curl away from your face. That's what we're doing. We're curling away from our face so that it will give us that really cute look. All right, y'all, so now that these curls are done, I am going to get up and swing my head back and forth just to give it what it needs to give. Now, I would highly suggest swing your head back and forth after you do your curls, especially some bust down curls, because I just feel like swinging your head back and forth just does it. Like, yes, do y'all see that? Like, do y'all see it? The curls are giving. The curls are definitely giving. It's definitely giving what it needs to give. Like, it's so cute. Like, and I'm so glad I was able to achieve like my deep side part type look. Like, I feel like it was just so cute, and these curls just came out so bomb. Like, I literally love them so much. Now, all of the information for this unit, like I said before, is in the description box down below. If you guys want to shop Westkiss hair, everything, all of their information is down below, so make sure you guys check them out because their units are actually really bomb. This unit had so much space on it. It was easy to bleach. The lace blended so well, and the lace was just like so stretchy. Like, I really love this unit. I feel like it was so cute. I really fell in love with this look. Like, I really loved it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed.